Good morning, everyone. Today, our lesson is going to be about subtracting fractions. So, just like when we add fractions, what do we have to do and remember when we subtract fractions? What is our rule? Remember, the denominator, the number on the bottom, stays the same and only subtract the numerator, the number on the top. Let's do a few examples together. So let's say I have 6/8 minus 2/8. So our denominator is 8. We subtract the top number 6 minus 2 is 4/8. And 4/8, what is 4/8 equivalent to? 4 is half of 8, so I know 4/8 equals 1/2. Let's do a few more examples. What if we do some subtracting with some improper fractions? 12/10 minus 4/10. So our denominator is 10. 12 minus 4, the numbers on the top, the numerators, 12 minus 4 is 8. This equals 8/10. Let's do one more. What if we have 3/6 minus 2/6? Our denominator is 6. Subtract your numerators, the numbers on top. 3 minus 2 is 1, so 1/6. Now let's look at our workbook pages. So remember, we are subtracting. Number 1 and 2, they're representing kind of like with a strip diagram. 6/8 minus 3/8. So our denominator is 8. 6 minus 3 is 3. 3/8. Number 2, 4/6 minus 1/6. 4 minus 1 is 3. Our denominator is 6. 3/6. Oh. Can we make and write an equivalent fraction for 3/6? What does 3/6 equal? 3, our numerator, is half of 6, our denominator. So 3/6 equals 1/2. Okay, guys, I want you to work all the way to number 8 here. Now let's look at the back. On the back, I want you to circle number 16 and do that one, and number 18 independently. And we'll do one together. Let's do number 19. Represent a mosaic wall is divided into 50 equal sections. If 15 sections are reserved for orange tiles and 20 sections are reserved for blue tiles, what fraction of the mosaic wall is left for other colors? So here we see the total number of pieces is divided into 50 pieces. 15 sections are reserved for orange. 20 are reserved for blue. What fraction of the mosaic wall is left for the other colors? Well, let's write fractions to represent for the colors that we know. So what numbers will be our numerators and what numbers will be our denominators? What's the total number of pieces it's divided into? It's divided into 50 pieces. And how many orange tiles are there? 15. Now, how many are blue tiles? 20. So 20 50ths, or 20 over 50 is blue, 15 50ths is orange. Now we need to find the rest. But first, what do you think we need to do? How do we find what is left for the other colors? I'm going to take these two fractions and we're going to first find the total. 20 50ths plus 15 50ths. Add your numerators, 20 plus 15. 20 plus 15, that's 35. So this is a total of orange and blue tiles. Now we need to find what is left. So how do we find what is left? What's our total? It's divided into 50 pieces. So the whole would be 50 over 50 minus this amount of the blue and orange tiles. $50 minus 35 is 15. So that is our fraction. Can you find an equivalent fraction or simplify these? What can 15 and 50 both be divided by? They're 15 is an odd number, so it's not going to be 2. So think, what can we multiply to get to 15, and what else can we multiply with the same numbers to get to 50? I'm going to divide the numerator and the denominator by 5. 15 divided by 5. So what times 5 gets us 15? That's 3. 50 divided by 5. 5 times what gets us to 50? That would be 10. So 15 50ths is equal to 3/10. Okay guys, so on the back, you're only doing 16 and 18, and on the front, stop at number 8. Don't forget to show me your work.